Honey, honey. Let me tell you something about it. Let's call couple psychic abilities. Couple psychic. The little bird told me almost everything. Yeah. Ooh. Baby. JD Van, Marco Rubio, okay? But both guys don't like each other. They are against each other. But one man could not stand him. Cannot stand Marco Rubio and him mean JD Van. Trump going to blame JD Van first and Marco Rubio. You know why? Honey, remember you guys, was it last year, the year before? Elon Musk was on the magazine, the cover magazine. Remember that? Yeah, he was pissed. Okay? Now, Stephen Bannon, the bad guy, he's also on the cover magazine, right? Remember that? And he was pissed too. You know why? He listening about J.G. Van gonna run the presidency 2028, right? He heard. He's listening by somebody else, okay? Alright? Now, we just heard, all of us, that J.G. Van dropped the presidency in 2028. And baby, Trump eventually, he gonna flip out J.D. Vance. Why? Not only he gonna run the presidency in 2028, he wanna make sure J.D. Vance will not be in the magazine cover, right? He gonna keep an eye on them, alright? There could be another reason. I'm feeling that Donald Trump cannot stand J.D. Vance. Cannot stand him at all. Cannot stand. He did not hire J.D. Vance to be VP vice president. Even Marco Rubio either. He didn't want him either. But we don't know who actually was invited or hired for VP, but somebody hired, I think I know who, hired J.D. Vance, the one that escaped from America to Argentina, that guy. That's my feeling. That guy. Yeah, that's the one. Because Trump didn't like J.D. Vance. We knew already. We saw it all out. They don't get along with each other. Absolutely not. But Marco Rubio, he's gonna be a big trouble. Huge trouble. He did not do his own job, what Trump wants him to do. I think I know who is behind Marco Rubio. You might guess who. Let me give you a hint. the person who watched it in the White House, scrolling around different people in and out, in and out. The person sat on the couch, on the sofa, on the chair, on the deck, watching each one of them. Do you know who it would be? That person watched them like a hawk, and that person liked Marco Rubio.
Sunshine will be there. Oh, thank you. So
The boss
one more time, and just to know she's in good
did
hands.
not know. That person liked Marco Rubio. That person wanted Marco Rubio to be the president of the United States. Like I said, Trump heard it. She heard it. I guarantee she heard it. She's hearing every word the person mouth, like a big mouth. That's when she shuts up.
It's been easy for me.
So you're having the same feelings?
But Trump could have dragged both of them with him after he goes to exit to the left.
Well, you did.
Ooh, child.
Really knocking
Just like he's trying to do with Gavin Newsom and Kamala Harris. Oh, yeah. He did not want anybody to be the president of 2028. And guess what? It's a bad news for him. He's not going to be around that time.
I'd like to think that I compliment you too. Yeah, I can't go back. I can't change what
He is not going to be a sick man. Is totally sickness. Sick. Like a dog. Like he's lonely.
I think that's a mistake. We didn't order that.
No, it's okay.
He said that. Remember that? Yeah.
It's yours.
Nigga is sick. Sickness. Sick. Okay. Yeah. And then that's not all. And when he mentioned like great daughter, a crow, who is he talking about? Who exactly he was talking about? The woman from another country? A great daughter? Jesus. I went to the bathroom. I'm sure Jesus did not like what she's singing. He did not like what she's singing. Divided our country, destroyed in America, destroyed everything to economic, all the way down to civil rights, both. He did not like it, what she said. He is not happening. He is not happy what she did in America. That's what Jesus said. Jesus did not like what he said. She wants the people to vote. And many of you guys can't vote.
Heat is here, and animals across the country are struggling to survive.
These are incredibly dangerous environments.
Ooh.
Think about the risk to that animal's life.
Make sure they don't cheat.
To their limit.
They're trying to get out of the elements, and you can tell.
That's what he said. He's gonna make sure they don't cheat.
Hour can mean the difference between life and death.
They don't have access to water. They have no access to shade. They are trapped quite literally at the mercy
He
of
might
the sun.
gonna bring a many angels by October. I think he heard about what that band worked with Trump, the one dealing with ICE.
More animals
Yeah.
in the scorching heat.
Yeah.
Now by
Yeah,
this number.
that's what Jesus said. He's gonna send
Where there's
many,
coverage
many
for
angels
Right now, we need you.
by October.
Just
I don't know
$19
what
a
he's
month.
gonna
And
do.
for
I don't
just
know
a few
how
minutes of your
gonna
time,
work.
you
I
can
don't
give
know.
everything to an animal who's almost out of time. An animal who's
The blue
suffering.
wave will definitely
You pride
win.
yourself on trying to
Definitely.
help these animals before
Definitely.
it's too late.
And that's why he wants all of you to line up every block by block. Nobody can walk away. No matter what they're gonna do, try to take you close or whatever. If it's deadline, like early time, you better vote. You gotta vote. If it's early, vote. That's what Jesus said. Jesus said you have to vote. You have to vote.
Please don't wait.
Okay?
Save an animal today. Go online, call, or scan now.
Now, who's gonna be the president of the United States 2028, Jesus?
Good dental care. Me too. Ooh, looking sharp.
Oh, he said he cannot really say.
No, please don't say it. A big
He cannot really say.
That's why dental insurance from Physicians Mutual Insurance Company
The person will be a Democrat.
discount plan or preventive only coverage.
Wow. Oh, I think I know why he cannot say. We don't know who could be lined up beside
It's easy to find out more
Gavin Newsom and possibility Kamala Harris. But we have not yet heard
routine
any more details who's gonna line up.
deductibles and no
Hopefully in July or August, we're gonna find out who could be even more gonna run and president for the age. Maybe that's why she said he doesn't know. You should know.
Yes, we do. And you have been very patient.
Hasn't she? Hey, you know,
What
there's
else?
a perch to give
What
dogs.
else do you want me to say?
That's where all the cool dogs go,
That's where she needs to be.
right?
Bonnie,
Who wants to go to the park?
Chrissy,
Yes, you do.
Capital, Peach Hudson. Shoot, why you name them for? All of them will be in jail, or
This is the dog
some of
she
them are not going to be in jail.
loves it here.
Oh, I can see why.
So who you think is going to be in jail, Cheetah? Capital, Penbody,
This is dog heaven.
Chrissy No, oh, some Republicans.
She always get this messy at the dog beach?
Some of them will be arrested in jail. Yeah, some of them, okay. But what about Peach Hudson?
Some days were so scorching hot. Sunshine would just find a tub full of water and sit in it all day.
Oh, he said he would be left before Trump, after Trump. Okay, okay. Stephen Miller?
Come on, let's get out of here before they finish eating.
Say it again. Stephen Miller will be in jail for a long time. Oh my God. Okay. Oh. Well,